Hey everybody, it's your friend Jenna from Uncomplicated Kitchen, and I've got a very simple question for you. Who among us doesn't like ranch dressing? Exactly, like we all do. It's delicious. But what if you could make it yourself and you could adjust it to be just the way you like it? That's what we're gonna do right now. The best part about making ranch dressing is it's literally just throwing a bunch of stuff in a bowl and whisking it together. Super simple. If the hardest part of this is measuring everything, then we're in business. We're gonna do a 1/2 cup mayo, 1/2 cup buttermilk, and we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of sour cream right into the bowl. 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic. You can omit this if you like, but garlic is awesome. Just a little clumsy fun for you. Okay, we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. I'm using finely ground white pepper here, but you can do freshly cracked black pepper if you prefer. Then we need 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Adds just a little acidity that rounds the whole thing out. And then we need some kosher salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Going right in. We're gonna give this a little stir to see the consistency of everything. We wanna get a good idea of how thick it's gonna be so we can adjust if we need. So herbs are completely optional in this, but I think they do add so much. Since these chives have just started to poke their little heads out after the winter, I'm really excited to use them. Cutting little bits of chives in. I think 2 teaspoons is great, but you can add as much as you'd like. And of course, you're gonna have some big old chunks that fall in. And guess what? That's a-okay. Give it a whisk. And now, of course, you gotta taste it. It definitely is tangy and really creamy. But you know what? It's not in my original recipe, but I think it could benefit from a tiny bit of sweet here. So I'm gonna add maybe just a 1/2 teaspoon of honey, and I'm gonna whisk that in. Perfect. So buttermilk is really, really acidic, and of course we also had the vinegar. So that sweetness just, I think, brings the whole thing together. And you know what? If you don't wanna use it, you don't have to. It's up to you. Refrigerated and ready to party. I am so excited that we made ranch dressing today, and I hope you'll make it soon. Until next time.